October is a great time of the year to be in the garden in Tasmania because the flowers are blooming. We can get in and do so many of the jobs that we need to do in the garden and have a lot of fun. Here are some of the things you can do in your garden in October. In October in Tassie, it's all about tomatoes. From tiny toms to really large black Russians, there's all sorts of different sizes and colours in store. Growing tomatoes is a great project for kids to do. Put some soil in little seed trays and put in the seeds, put them on a windowsill and watch them grow. It's a great time to get your summer colour in preparation for Christmas. Pretty petunias, French marigolds and alyssum are good hardy choices. And in October, another great plant, a kangaroo paws to attract birds into your garden. If you don't know what to plant, come into store and one of our experts will help you out. It's a great time to be planting your edibles now. From seeds to seedlings, there's such a variety. Try some herbs: parsley, coriander, oregano, sage and thyme. Sow beetroot and carrot seed. For quicker results, try seedlings of capsicum and celery. And don't forget about our perfect plant promise. All plants except seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with receipt or tax invoice and we'll refund it. This is what you can be harvesting in Tasmania in October. We have lemons, onions, carrots and potatoes, Asian greens, broccoli and kale. There are plenty of jobs to be doing in the garden in October in Tasmania. Remove spent flowers and prune other spring flowering plants to encourage growth. If frosts have passed, remove damaged parts of the plants. Improve garden beds with compost or aged manure before planting out with your veggies, herbs and flowers. If needed, apply a weed and feed product to your lawns to get it in good shape for summer. Keep an eye out for those sap-sucking insects like aphids. In warm weather, populations build up and can get out of hand. Spray with a natural-based perethrum or give them a blast with the hose. Make the most of the warm weather and get out into the garden this weekend. And if you need any help, come into a local Bunnings store and get some advice from our garden expert. Click here for more garden advice. Click here to go back to the website.